Okay, welcome to day three. It's before work right now, so it's a little early in the morning. Got my morning coffee to get me going, and I just finished 25 minutes of Portuguese. Still learning possessives, and it's going really well. Um, my finding yesterday that the um, definite article is frequently used along with possessive adjectives. Still holds. Heard back from a guy on a message board that this is usually the convention, so I thought that was pretty cool. Uh, Beyond that, I just was really thinking today about how I'm going to decide when I've learned a language. What does it mean to learn a language? And I got to looking around on the internet and I found some interesting stuff. Mainly that there is this finding that in English, about 75% of all communication is done with just 1,000 words. And then that there's this sort of difficulty in breaking through, we might call that the intermediate level, and that there's this difficulty in breaking through the intermediate level because the next step, to really get improvements beyond that, you have to learn a lot more words. So then, by one estimate, there are 7,000 words used for 90% of all communications. So when I think about that finding in English, my guess is maybe it's something similar for other languages. So I should aim, I guess, for 7,000 words. Let's say 90% comprehension while reading and listening would be considered advanced or non-native fluent speaker. So that's kind of one thought. And I'm going to look for lists on the internet of those English words, and maybe further down the line I can just run through those lists a little bit each day and see if I know the translation in Portuguese, which is what I'm working on right now, and maybe do the same for other languages down the road. Beyond that, just some other ideas about what it might mean to speak a language. I was thinking, pronunciation, that's a pretty easy one. Got to get that right. Another is being able to really understand what people are saying. And that I'm a little nervous about because DuoLingo is great, but I also see that I could probably stand to listen to longer conversations. DuoLingo tends to just give you a short burst of sound. It's not, you get to listen for a few seconds and then think, okay, what did that mean? So I'm just thinking, DuoLingo is probably going to get me pretty far, but maybe down the road I'm going to have to mix in some other sources so I can listen to other languages being used in let's say longer duration. So that's it for me today, but the quest continues. So I feel like I'm moving along with Portuguese pretty solidly. Take care.